Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're coming across my video for the very first time, you're welcome. Please consider subscribing. Here in this channel I share recipe videos and vlogs on my daily activities. So today I'll be sharing with you all how I made this delicious thick tiger nut drink. Here I've already washed the tiger nuts. First off, I washed out as much dirt that was able to come out in that dry state, soaked in the water and placed in the fridge for 12 hours. After 12 hours, I washed for 4 more times, and I observed that soaking helps to loosen up the dirt in it and makes it easier for you to wash it out thoroughly. Tiger nut drink is one of those drinks, if prepared unhygienically, can cause food insensitivity. So it's ideal to wash all kitchen utensils, hand, and ingredients to use thoroughly before preparing tiger nut drink. And if need be, wash your hands at intervals while preparing it. Remember, tiger nut shelf life is determined by temperature. And as you know, the higher a blender runs, the higher the heat generated. Okay, and most of the times those heats are impacted on the ingredients you are blending. That is why you notice when you bring out your tiger nut from the blender, you pour it out, you see it's a bit warm. So if you have an ice block, you can place it in the bowl while you pour in the already blended tiger nut. But in this case, there is no ice block. I'll go on to pour the remaining tiger nuts into the blender jar, place it on the engine for blending, then wash my hand and proceed to squeezing out the juice from the already blended tiger nuts. Extracting the juice pretty fast because tiger nut has a lower shelf life. The higher the temperature, the lower the shelf life. The lower the temperature, the higher the shelf life. So I have to do this pretty fast in order to store it in the freezer to cool down the temperature and to retain its natural sweet taste and avoid the fermented sour like this. Rinsed off every chaff in the blender jar. As you can see, it's all neat. Place it on the blender engine and proceed to adding other ingredients. First is the bananas. Next, I added the dates. Here is around 10 pieces of dates. The ginger, garlic, and coconuts. If you want your tiger nut to come out thick and you want to retain every nutrient in the other ingredients, then you have to follow this method I am doing. That is, blending and extracting the juice in the tiger nut first, then use the juice to blend other ingredients. That way the nutrients in the other ingredients are retained and they also make the tiger nut thicker. you have watched this point and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please consider subscribing. Let's move this ministry to the permanent site. Yeah. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.